In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid Calendly appointments and meetings. By the end, you'll have a booking link that collects payment upfront so your meetings are confirmed and no-shows are reduced. First, open Calendly and head to your scheduling area where your event types live. You'll see all the meeting templates you've already created. Choose the specific event you want to charge for. Maybe it's a consultation, a coaching session, or a strategy call. Remember, you're editing just this event, so your changes won't affect your other meeting types. Once you're inside the event editor, look for the More Options section. This is where Calendly keeps the deeper settings for that event. From there, go to Payments. If this is your first time setting up payments, Calendly may prompt you to connect a payment provider. Follow those prompts if needed so your account can actually accept money at checkout. Now, enable Require Payment to book this meeting. Turning this on means your invitees will only be able to confirm a time after successfully paying, which keeps your calendar clean and ensures commitment. It also helps automate your workflow so you don't have to chase invoices or collect fees manually. Next, enter the amount you want to charge and choose the currency. Be clear about what this fee covers, whether it's the full session price or a deposit. If you operate in multiple regions, pick the currency that aligns with your audience to minimize confusion at checkout. Add a short note for payment terms. Keep it friendly but specific. You can indicate whether the fee is non-refundable, how rescheduling works, and any time windows for changes. If taxes are included or not applicable, say that too. This small bit of clarity on the payment page goes a long way in preventing disputes and managing expectations. When you're happy with the details, click Save Changes. It's a good idea to preview your scheduling link and run a quick test booking to see exactly what your clients will experience. Check that the amount, currency, and terms display correctly and that your confirmation messages read the way you want. If you later adjust pricing or policy language, come back to this same payments area and update it. Your link will reflect the changes immediately. That's it. Your Calendly event now requires payment to book. Share your link with clients, embed it on your site, and enjoy a smoother, more professional scheduling flow. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.